Ma, I hear knock at the door. I think it's your Amazon package.
No, mine.
Oh, Ma, it's your Amazon package. Yes,
Let's
yes,
go.
yes.
It is.
Let's bring it in. Let's go sit on the couch and open our package.
It's mine. I sit in the middle.
Okay.
This one.
Maz, do you want Mommy to help you open the package?
Yeah, but before we open anything and before we see what's inside, we have to say the intro. Me! You want to help me? Okay. So, don't forget to subscribe, everyone, if you're new to our channel or anything. And remember to put on that post notification bell to let you know when all our new videos are out. So let's get started. Yay!
Okay, let Mommy help you open the package, okay?
It's mine. Yeah. I wonder what it is.
Hold on, guys.
Come on, this. Yeah. Can I do it on that side? Because you can.
I got it.
And that's mine. It's me.
Ooh.
That's just
I think-
two. I
yeah.
think this one is.
Maz, look what we got for you. Trucks.
That's the.
Truck cars.
No.
Mazu, look. It's truck engineering cars. It includes 8 pieces.
That
And
means 8
it's-
cars.
It's right for your age. It's for 3+ kids. So let's open and see what's
Wait,
inside.
what is this, Mommy? What is this for?
It's just the package. Let's open. Wow! Look at these trucks, Maz.
There's like a traffic cone.
Yeah.
And there's like
There
a
are
gas
8.
thing.
There are 8 trucks inside.
There's 2 inside every pack.
Okay. These look like cement truck, and that's a mini mower,
And
and
then these
I think these are garbage.
trucks.
And
What open
what is this one called?
I don't know. A digging truck? A
Yeah,
digging
I think a digger.
And
One's
this
a
is
digger.
open this. This is a huge digger. What? And then this one, what is that one? This is an, I think that's
That's a
another
lifter.
one. Mom, you're already opening
Bulldozer.
it. So guys, these are some of the cute little accessories. Like there's a little hospital sign, there's a gas tank, there's a little person. And so we'll show you the rest when we're opening them. Yeah!
Okay, let's open. Which one do you want to open first,
Which
Maz?
one? This one.
You want to open the signs?
So that was really early. Maz decided to open this one first, so pull out one at a time. It's a parking thing, so you have to put like in a coin or some money and it'll lift up so you can go park in that area. What's in the next thing? This one. Oh, you dropped it. Go
It's
ahead.
a traffic sign.
Traffic sign. Yeah, red, green, and yellow.
That's the sign for the hospital, I guess.
No. Oh, it's a.
Oh, it's a cross. It says stop.
It's a stop sign.
And these are the rocks.
Some rocks. These are the rocks. Like they're really detailed.
And these are
Men.
men. And then there is, and then
So
there.
this is the gas tank. And oh, Maz already took out these traffic cones. There's these cute little traffic cones.
And there are some other construction cones.
That's packed right there.
Now let's open the next pack.
Yeah, that's a pack.
Let's move these stuff on the side so we can
We have
show what's inside the next pack.
It is good.
Would you like to open it, buddy? It opens from here.
Pull that up.
You have to pull it out. Gentle. Yes.
Cement
Look
truck.
at that. It's a nice cement truck.
Show everyone. It has a lot of detail. Look at that light.
And this one is the other truck that came in that pack. It's a lifter, I guess. Now, Mazu, do you want to see what's inside the third pack? Yeah. Oh, this has a lot of trucks. Do you want to open it? Let's see where we can open it.
This one.
There should be an opening.
This one.
I think it's right here. I can see it. Let's lift the cap up. There you go. Our first truck. It's a bulldozer, right? Show it. Show it in the camera. Mother, do you like it? Okay. Wow, look at this one. This one's an even bigger one. Even bigger bulldozer. How's it look?
That is so cool. That's the same one on the packaging.
Yeah, it's the same one on the package, and
No.
then there's a third one. It's like the other one. Which one do you think is the same?
This one.
This one's the
Yeah,
same
I
one?
think.
Mm-hmm.
Because it has that. And
Mazu, do you like these trucks? Slowly.
ooh, that moves.
Yeah, it has.
Can I try this one?
Maha, line up all the trucks nicely in the parking lot. Yeah, all together.
This one needs gas, so we're
Okay.
going by the gas. This one's gonna be by the road close.
Okay, we have two more. Mazu, we've got two more packs left. Would you like to open the next one? That one? So we're gonna open this pack now. It has two trucks, two small trucks in it.
Just don't
Yeah.
move.
Open it. You wanna open it? And then we have another small bulldozer in there.
Hey, I want to see the move. It moves like that. Boom! Let's move. Boom!
Right.
Yep, put that one there.
Okay. Now, do you want to open the last pack? Let's see what's inside these ones.
Hey, that's
They
the
also
water.
have, yeah, that's the water. Yeah, the water truck that carries water, and then this one is the rocks that carries rocks, I guess. Yeah. Let's open. Would you like to open?
Yeah.
Okay. Lift this tab
I
up.
see it right there.
Mhm.
Let's have to make it like that.
There you go.
Let's see the move. It moves like that.
Whoa!
It's not fooling them. What's up, this one?
You can keep it here for now. Yeah, you can keep it in the middle for now.
Let's move it.
Show the other one. Mother, show the other one. Ooh, that opens too? Wonderful.
Like rocks. Yeah.
These trucks are made out of plastic, but the plastic is really high quality. Really nice quality, guys.
Oh.
This is all plastic. It's not made out of metal, but the quality is extremely nice.
Nice.
So it came with all these 8 trucks and some signs and cones and
People.
and some pretend rocks. So guys, this truck set includes bulldozers and cement mixers,
And this.
cement mixer and forklifter,
And this.
and then fuel tank
And
and
this.
a garbage truck, and that's a bulldozer. Yeah. And some signs to create a nice game for kids.
T2. Wow.
Ooh.
Oh. That's
Mazu,
fun.
let's create a scene. Let's create a construction site. Mazu, let's create a construction site. Where do you want to put these rocks? Where do you want to put these rocks? Here? Can you put it?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh.
Arrange them. And then where do you want to put this traffic sign? Right there. And what about the cones? Where do you want to put these cones?
Here. Then.
Do you want to put it here against in front of the rocks? And then you can put signs
Right there.
right there.
No. I want read this one. What?
And then roads closed probably on this side. Oh. This guy is working right here. Maybe let's make him sit on this big bulldozer so he can use this bulldozer and dig and break the rocks. Where are the rocks? There you go.
Hey, what is that?
Look, Mazu. Ooh. And there it goes. It's
I wanna beat
lifting
this
the
one.
rocks and bringing it right here.
I want to read
Let's
this
release
one. I
it.
want to read this one.
You want to be this one? Oh, that's a drum truck, silly goose. Oh, let's make him run this one. Moms, can I use this one?
Yeah. Do you know what this one is called?
It's a forklifter.
Cool. Let's see how fast it goes. Uh-oh, the light's red. Keo. Baby, you do my work. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And if you guys really like these toys and want to buy them, the link is in the description below. And have a good weekend, everyone.